Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll share with you how I was able to make this sumptuous jollof rice within the shortest of time for my children to go to school with it. In my pan, I've added my vegetable oil, added some onion, added some ginger and garlic paste, some thyme. I added my thyme right now at this point so that it could release its taste into the oil. Now I added my fresh tomato and tomato paste. I'll be frying together until they are dry. Please make sure to fry on a low heat so your pot don't get burnt. 15 minutes later, I added my chopped scotch bonnet pepper, some curry powder, some parsley leaf, and next I'll be adding my mixed herbs, some nutmeg powder, some salt to taste, bouillon. Fry on a medium heat at this point. And now we are done with the frying. I added a little spicy tea. Now our tomato is completely fried. In here I have my washed rice. I washed up to 4 times to get rid of the sands, dust, and of course starch. It is very vital to wash multiple times so your rice don't get to be soggy because of the starch. I tested, and of course they will need to add a little more salt. I added some salt. Added some warm water. Please make sure not to over add water at this point. You don't need too much water to cook your jollof rice. What you need to cook your jollof rice till it's done is the steam. Now our jollof rice is done. The secret of having a single grains of jollof rice just like this is trapping in the moisture. 15 minutes before your rice is done, use a foil paper or a nylon paper to cover the top of your pot. That will help you track or trap in the remaining moisture for your rice to cook completely. I've added my carrots, sweet corn, some sliced tomato. Give it a quick stir. And now our jollof rice is ready. You needed to perceive the aroma coming out from my kitchen. Now I added my chicken. I cooked and fried off the camera. And now I'll be scooping some portions into my children's food flask for lunch. At this time it's 6 a.m. in the morning. If you like what you see, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Please help subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified whenever I post new videos. And to all my returning viewers, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you all. God bless you. Now we are done setting the school lunch bag and our rice is ready. Please do not forget to subscribe. See you.